Hey there, you welcome back to Juicy Fresh Corner and a powerful shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you for coming on board. And today we are diving into the amazing world of bitter leaf. This leafy green is packed with nutrients and has incredible health benefits. But if you have ever tried it raw, you know it lives up to its name, very bitter. So in this video, I will show you the best way to wash and prepare bitter leaf to make it not only edible but delicious. Plus, we'll talk about how you can use it to boost your health. Quick disclaimer: this information on bitter leaf is for educational purpose only. Consult a healthcare professional before use, especially if you have medical conditions or taking medication. Thank you. So let's get started. A lot of people don't know about this plant where I live here. And as a Nigerian, I've been looking for this plant. And the day I found it, I was so glad. My first time of making this vegetable with egusi, I gave it to my kids, and my son said, "Thank you, mommy." It was just 3 years, so I wondered what happened, how he loved so much loved it to tell me thank you. But if you try this leaf, I'm telling you, you will love it. It's actually bitter, but after cooking, the taste gets better and adds a unique flavor to your food. So the you can see I'm adding salt before washing. There are different methods you can use to process this leaf. I'm going to be using my hand to squeeze it to squeeze the juice out. But if you're going to use this leaf for a different purpose, you might want to use a different method. So it's either you squeeze the water out or you steam it, and it can also be dried. So there are different methods of making this leaf. So this is my style is because I want to use this leaf to make soup. So if you want to use it to make maybe juice, you can use it for tea, for juice, for health purpose. It's better not to wash it this way. Just make sure you clean the leaf properly, and then maybe with salt, soak in salt, wash with clean water, and squeeze out the juice. You can add lemon to the juice and drink directly, but it has to be in moderate proportion for kids or for adults. And this green leaf called bitter leaf, it helps to relieve stomach discomfort, indigestion, bloating. It reduces blood sugar, detoxifies the liver. It's also rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This plant also lowers blood pressure by relaxing your blood vessels and also boosts immunity. That's a lot of it has a high content of vitamins and minerals. Also, it's good for weight loss and detoxifications. It helps reduce your cravings for unhealthy foods. It can be used to treat skin conditions like acne, rashes, due to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. And also, it's good for cooking. This is common in African dishes, especially in their soup. The bitter taste reduces when cooked, adding unique flavor to your food. So I love this leaf and it's so healthy. I use it for my kids also. I can just extract the juice and give my kids and for myself also. But remember, there is need for moderation. You don't just take it anyhow. The way I give it to my kids, give them a spoon in the morning and at night. So twice daily, one spoon in the morning, one spoon at night. And it's always helpful. So thank you for watching. You can see it's already packed. You can keep this in your fridge or use it directly immediately to cook your soup, which is egusi soup. You can check my video to see how I made this. And this is for okra soup. You can add it to your egg, you can add it to any type of food. Use it to make your tea and drink. You can use it for different purposes. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comments, share with others as well. Thank you for watching.